In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to evenly space elements in Canva. Clean, consistent spacing can instantly make your design feel polished and professional, and Canva gives you a couple of simple tools to get there fast. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to click and why it matters. Start by opening your design in Canva. Once you are in, look at the elements you want to organize. These could be text boxes, shapes, icons, or images. Click on one element to select it. Then hold down the Shift key and click on the others you want to include. You'll see selection outlines appear around everything you've picked. If something gets included by mistake, just click it again while still holding Shift to deselect it. The key is to have all the items you want to space or align selected at the same time. With your elements selected, head to the top toolbar and click the Position button. This menu only shows the full set of options when multiple items are selected. So if you don't see what you expect, double-check that you've selected more than one element. Inside Position, go to the Arrange tab and click Tidy Up. This is the quickest way to clean things up in one click. Tidy Up automatically evens out the spacing between your selected items and aligns them neatly, removing those tiny inconsistencies that can be hard to spot but easy to feel. It's especially handy when you've moved things around a lot and want everything to snap back to a clean, balanced layout. If you want more control over spacing while keeping your current alignment intact, use the alternative spacing options in the same Position menu. Choose Space Evenly, then pick vertically or horizontally based on how your items are arranged. Vertically is ideal for lists, stack text boxes, or icons placed top to bottom. Horizontally is perfect for buttons, logos, or photos arranged in a row. This method keeps the first and last elements in place as anchors, then redistributes everything in between so the gaps are equal. It's a precise way to maintain your overall layout while fixing the spacing. After applying Tidy Up or Space Evenly, take a quick look at the edges and the gaps. You should see consistent spacing and alignment without manually nudging things around. If the result isn't what you intended, undo and try the other option. Both tools are fast, so testing takes only a second. That's it. Thanks for watching.